Welcome to the top best. The best fridge whiteboard is probably one of the most convenient and stylish ways to stay organized in your kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent juggling schedules or just someone who loves to leave notes and reminders, a magnetic whiteboard for your refrigerator can be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive into the top picks, exploring their features, durability, and overall value to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Mr. Pen 14-inch by 11-inch dry erase board. This is the Mr. Pen dry erase board. It's perfect for students and anyone who needs a convenient writing surface. It's a great tool for planning and organization. The package includes a 14-inch by 11-inch black frame dry erase board, a black dry erase marker, and double-sided tape. You can easily install it on any clean surface without drilling. This board is an eco-friendly option that can be erased and reused multiple times. It helps you reduce waste and stay organized at the same time. The sleek design fits into any modern office or school setting. It provides the perfect canvas for your reminders, thoughts, or ideas. The premium magnetic steel dry erase surface has superior erasability. Your notes can be wiped off quickly without leaving any ghosting or streaking. The included dry erase marker is ergonomically designed for comfortable use. It's ideal for planning your day or drawing diagrams. What we like. This board features a magnetic steel surface, making it easy to attach to your fridge. It's also eco-friendly, allowing you to reuse it. If you're looking for a simple, reusable solution for quick notes and reminders, this is a great choice. What people say. The whiteboard is magnetic and sticks well to the refrigerator. The markers write smoothly and the eraser works well. The size is perfect for the refrigerator. Number 4. Maxtek 12-count magnetic dry erase markers. These markers are certified non-toxic and meet safety standards, making them safe for everyone. The low-odor ink ensures a pleasant writing experience, whether you're at home or in the office. For the most vibrant results, use these markers on a standard porous whiteboard. You'll notice the colors are bold and saturated. However, on some surfaces, the ink may appear lighter. The built-in magnets in the cap allow it to stick to any metal surface. You don't have to worry about them falling off. They are always within reach. The fine tips are perfect for clear writing, making it easy to fill your calendar or whiteboard with information. The small eraser on the marker is convenient for correcting small mistakes. This set includes 12 bold colors to highlight and color code your notes. You'll find a wide range of colors to choose from, perfect for any project. The markers use high-quality German ink that ensures vibrant and long-lasting color. The ink dries quickly and is easy to wipe away. These magnetic dry erase markers are perfect for any magnetic whiteboard, such as a fridge whiteboard. They are a great tool for home or office. What we like. These markers come in a wide array of vibrant colors, perfect for color coding your notes. The fine tip allows for detailed writing, and the low-odor ink is safe for everyone. If you like to add some colors to your planning and organizing, this set is a must-have. What people say. The whiteboard is magnetic and sticks well to the refrigerator. The included markers write smoothly and are easy to wipe off. The size is perfect for the refrigerator and doesn't take up too much space. Number 3. Cinch 17 by 11 Fridge Whiteboard Magnetic. This magnetic whiteboard for refrigerators boasts impressive stain resistance. You can erase it to its original black color even 40 days after writing. It's designed for long-lasting use. Need more space? This whiteboard comes in 3 sizes to fit your needs. Consider a larger one if you have a bigger fridge or lots to write. You can also position it horizontally or vertically. The set includes 4 vibrant neon markers. The colors pop against the dry erase surface, making your notes easy to read. It will make your fridge look more organized. The strong magnetic back keeps it securely in place on any magnetic surface. It won't slide or fall, providing a reliable organizational tool. It is very easy to use. Make sure your fridge door is magnetic before use. If a regular magnet sticks, this board will too. It is a great way to organize your life. What we like. This whiteboard boasts an impressive 40-day stain resistance, ensuring your board stays clean. The strong magnetic back keeps it securely on your fridge, and it comes with neon markers for added visibility. If you have a busy schedule and need a durable, easy-to-clean planner, this is the one for you. What people say. The whiteboard is magnetic and sticks well to the refrigerator. The markers write smoothly and erase easily. The size is perfect for the refrigerator and the magnets are strong. Number 2. BEYGORM Magnetic Pen Holder. This is the newest magnetic pen holder. It has a non-slip design, which is different from others. You will be surprised by its effectiveness. It features multiple compartments, perfect for organizing your pens, erasers, and other accessories. This allows you to keep everything in order. Equipped with strong magnets, it easily attaches to various magnetic surfaces. You can move it around as needed without any tools. It can also be used as a desktop organizer. It is great for storing metal rulers and scissors upright, making them easy to access. Thank you for choosing our product. We are committed to providing the best solutions. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This pen holder features a non-slip design, keeping it securely in place. It offers multiple compartments for organizing your markers and erasers. If you are looking for a convenient way to keep your whiteboard accessories organized and accessible, consider this. What people say. It actually holds 9 expo markers comfortably, not just 8 like the product photo. The clear design allows you to quickly see which colors are available without having to dig around. The magnet on the back is impressively strong, securely holding the entire holder firmly in place on any magnetic surface. Number 1. Warasee 16x24 Magnetic Dry Erase Whiteboard. This is the perfect tool for office professionals, remote workers, and creative minds. It transforms any smooth wall into a dynamic hub for meetings and brainstorming. It's a sleek, space-saving replacement for traditional boards. Say goodbye to stained boards. This high-quality, eco-friendly PET material offers a superior writing experience. It erases cleanly every time, with no stubborn stains or ghosting, even after 60 days. It's built for professional, daily use. No tools or drilling are required. The strong, reliable adhesive backing installs in minutes on any smooth surface. For best results, let it lay flat for 24 hours before applying to ensure a bubble-free hold. The grid-lined backing allows for easy custom trimming. This is more than just a writing surface. The unique ferrous layer turns your wall into a functional zone that securely holds lightweight magnets. It's perfect for home offices, classroom activities, or family chore charts, adapting to your ever-changing needs. Note, not designed for heavy magnets. We are dedicated to enhancing your daily productivity. We stand behind the premium quality of this adhesive and writing surface. Experience the difference of a professional grade, no ghosting whiteboard and organize your ideas with clarity. What we like. This whiteboard sticker guarantees no ghosting, ensuring a clean writing surface. It's easy to install with a peel and stick design, and it's magnetic receptive. If you are a professional and need a large, versatile, and easy-to-install whiteboard for your office, it's a great choice. What people say. Has a sticky back. I used the roll it came in and shimmied it across the front with the protective film on it and got it tacked down really tight. Very well made and comes with great accessories. The magnet works well and stick to our fridge. Just the right size I needed for our kitchen. Easy to clean with a paper towel. Well priced. Pretty straightforward and reliable. It's incredibly versatile. One of the things I love about it is that it comes with all the necessary accessories, including dry white pens, an eraser, and magnets. It's a one-stop solution for all your note-taking needs. Plus, the magnetic surface is fantastic for pinning important documents and even adding a personal touch with pictures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.